Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to cook for you today. We're going to have hot dogs and french fries cooking at the same time in the air fryer oven. I'm going to toast the hot dog buns on the stove. I'm going to put some margarine on each side, some smart margarine, and toast it on each side. And I already made a salad. Okay, so this is going to be a light dinner tonight because it's about 90 degrees here in Massachusetts and it's really hot. So I just want to make a quick meal, sit down and eat, and just enjoy the weather until it cools down. Okay, I'm not going to move around or do anything. I'm just going to take it easy today. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Okay guys, so I have here a couple of hot dogs. It's just two. Okay, it's just for me. Alright, and I'm going to put that in the air fryer. My handle on my air fryer oven broke again, so I got to see about what I can do about that again. That's becoming a problem. Okay. And the hot dogs are going to go on the bottom, and this is french fries, frozen french fries, and I'm going to put those on the top. Now the reason why I'm putting the french fries on the top and the hot dogs on the bottom, because we don't want any of the fluids from the hot dog to drop on the french fries, right? Because there's cross-contamination, okay? But once they all get done, it's all good. Okay, so I got that in. Let's set this on. We're going to cook it at 370. And let's go for 15 minutes. And we're off and running. Okay. Meanwhile, we're going to cook the buns on top of the stove here. So I have my frying pan here. Let me just let that start heating up. Oh, I have some oil here. And by the way, I rub down my racks with grapeseed oil. Okay? Okay. You know, hot dogs really taste good when you toast the bun. So that's why I'm toasting the bun. You're going to put the margarine on both sides. And we're going to put that in. The frying pan is already on. You know, when you toast the bun and you bite down in there and you feel that crunch, it's great. Plus it gives it a little flavor. Okay, so we have the two buns in the frying pan. Okay, and when you're toasting the bun, you want to just peek under every now and then to see if it starts to brown. If it starts to brown, then once it's completely brown, then you turn it over and you do the other side, okay? Almost. Oh, let me show you that. See? Almost, but not yet. Okay? That one's a little more darker, so I can turn that one over. It doesn't take buns long to toast. We're definitely talking a few minutes. I don't know where you're at, but I'm in Massachusetts. It's been really, the temperature's been around between 80 and 90, somewhere around there for days. You know, it'd be nice if we get a cool day. I wouldn't mind that. Okay, and you could turn them over again if you want to turn it over to get it even a little more darker brown color. I like mine to be really toasty, so I keep turning it so it doesn't burn. Okay, I think we're good. And let me show you the buns. See? Okay. Okay, so we're going to let the buns just sit there until the French fries and the hot dogs are done. Alright? Alright, let me give you the word of the day. And by the way, if you like the video, please hit the like button. The like button is very, very important on YouTube. The like button is the thumbs up button, okay? And subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. Welcome. I'd love to have you. And share the video, because maybe with supervision you can even show your kids how to make this meal, because this is something that's pretty easy, but I would suggest you supervise them. Alright? Okay, that would be fun for you to do with the kids for the summer. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is stress. Stress. Stress is one of those things that could cause a stroke. It could cause migraines. It could cause other health issues. And sometimes we stress over things that we cannot do nothing about, okay? So if you can't do anything about the matter, don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. So stress is worrying, okay? Stop worrying and see what you can. When you stop worrying, you're able to think through the process to see how you can get out the situation, okay? So that's what I'm going to suggest you do. Think about it, figure out the solution, and solve the problem. Because you don't want to have a stroke, okay? Because if you have a stroke, who's going to handle those problems then, right? Maybe no one. Maybe the problem would get worse. Or maybe the problem would eventually solve itself. I don't know. I do know one thing. You need not to stress, okay? I'm not saying not think through the process and come up with a solution. I'm saying don't worry and stress to the point where you're driving yourself into a physical problem, okay? And on that note, I'll be right back soon as the French fries get halfway done. I'm gonna flip them over, and the hot dog as well. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, we're gonna open it and see what's going on. Okay, I just want to flip the French fries over so it can cook evenly. Okay. Alright, and we put that back in. Okay, and let's just turn the hot dogs a little. Put that back in. Okay, so we have 5 minutes left on our 15-minute setting. I want to add another 5 minutes. So that would have totally cooked for 20 minutes, everything. Okay, and I think we'll be good by then. Okay, so let me just show you my salad. So here's the salad I made. It's lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes. And I have some, let me just brush this clean. Okay. And I have some Texas toast croutons. Okay. So I'm just going to put a few of those on there. Not too many. Okay, that's plenty. And I got this at the dollar store for $1. Okay, Texas toast croutons. Okay, now I have some California French salad dressing. I'm just going to add that on there. To finish out the container. I only have a little left, but it's enough to do this salad. There we go. And so that's the end results of the salad, so you can get a look at that. And, oops, drop that. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to get something to put the French fries and the hot dogs on, okay? Okay, guys. We have 4 minutes left on our 20-minute setting. Let me just look. You never know. Okay, French fries are definitely done. And I'm going to let the hot dogs cook the remaining 4 minutes, okay? Okay. And let me let you see the French fries. Okay? So we're going to put the French fries, put some salt on them, and a little pepper. Okay. And my buns, I always put my condiments right at the bottom of the bun, like this, okay? That way when you bite into the hot dog, it's not dripping all down on you. Does that make sense? Okay. So we have the buns here just waiting on our hot dogs. And I'll be right back in 3 minutes. Okay, guys. Let's take our hot dogs out, put them in a bun, on my 2 buns. Oh wow, looks good. And here we go, guys, with our salad. Okay? How about that? Pretty good, right? Let me see if I can get in the picture. No, let me see. I don't know how to do it. Okay, so here's the hot dogs and French fries. And here's the salad. Yay, I did it. Cool. Okay. All right, until next time, be blessed. Bye.